15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Jingïakhih Shah Thngan ba Marshal SBBM President Jingïakhih on a Minor Supplier and Worker Association JCOMSWA kalapoi Sngi ka Khyndai haka shiphotruk jilio arjar punrio bandawa nak sorkar ban pleno ya kamti bat khairu yong harilom jantia uba Marshal lasdangi kani Jingïakhih Shah Thngan jong na do ka shitarik jilio arjar punrio hamadan football ka latmbai dongwa Hakani kasila sakhi ya kajiwan aiman CM da KSU East Gentile District hakajela muba streamly and suchan president bat uba kwilinis suchang jalan sekretari nalor kiwe pat
tengi kum Sngi ni pha ya Kyrwoh ka basai kadar sa sarkar halor jing Shah Thngan jong no samla rong ba ka por kam desu ya sarkar ban matla ane ka por kam desu ya sarkar ban ane sarkar kam desu ban song klikti ne kam desu ban kingsting halor ka jing yak inti jong no samla pagi kentu jur ya sarkar jela bagade pan le halor ka ne daga ba plino yaw deu yong nang ba ipaj ba jong jela Meghalaya kin yo ban ti suk yaw no mat pong deu mar kum ba biti bi ba jela Meghalaya jong kadon ya ka siksidul ngidei ki trai muluk ngidon gohok khandeu gede gejongi omban batai da giwe pat andre kane kasa menta stang sarkar hi bahkan penbej mardor yang ne kam kumbangi menta kane kam deu yong na kapor kajumi Jingïakhih pat nginam la ban len ba kane Jingïakhih halor deu yong ngiladu ya rangut ki bensin naga chunong opung skur kata ngim la ban len ba ngim kwa ya sarkar bahkan nang simsu ya jing imriu halor ne deu yong ngip pha ya Kyrwoh ka basai kadar khamtam ja sarkar jela bagade ban plino yo deu yong hapo ka jela ka jongi khnang ba ki prado prasnam jongi ki ba im langbau ne umar pok ndeu kin yo ban im suk im san kum ga jan mriu ho ngim la ban tip ba ka sarkar na ka por kaju pesngeu ba harin election haswa election kan sepli yaw taw deu yong hare ngi ong ya sarkar da basai kadar wadnom penlong kam jakai ne wadnom pelong kam kai ya ki pajba ki badai ki prado persam jongi halor kamat deu yong ban gi tip sai ba ada sarkar kamon kala hi ban pentri ne kala hi ban ailat ba ngin yo banti yaw deu yong hapo ka jela Meghalaya jongi nemar kum ba ngi tip ba kajing khang deu yong kam de ban ta tang ye sentia kam de ke balak ta tang ye sentia andre na Southwest Khasi Hills na West Khasi Hills bat Chagaro Hills ru kidon ge baim langbau deu yong pat nagaliang ka sing ni kwa ya sarkar bahkan penbej yang ne kam mardor nang ba ki pajba ki balang nun hadu khat arsne menta kin yo ya ka hok ka jongki halor ge yo banti no yaw deu yong em kum ka sing hi ngi ya ka nong rim hadin bangi bisar ya nong rim bagi ni artli ki sing ka thong ga jongki ge de ban pli deu yong kum ka sing hi ngin don rekat bagi ni artli ki sing nang menta ban pli yaw deu yong hapo ka jela Meghalaya ade no program lagi khot kum ka sing ngi kloi bandon menta nang ba ki pajba ki ba mat ki ba jingjar hadin bala khang ga jeti ba ki bun ki pajba jongi himla ban hinamla ban len pat kila du no khamtam ki long ying ki baju pha e kun jong ki chagi school ba fer nei menta ki school ki kun jong ki ha ban song ying ndon lat chu da kumai
nalor ka KSU East Gentile District la sakhiru ya ka jingwan a Kyrshan ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association MCTODA hakajelam uba wanchwanong tru ubadei unong ahtien
friends or brothers or colleagues who comes and is determined to take this action with this ban of NGT, this coal ban of NGT since 2014. But yes, I am not experienced that much regard the coal's mining ban in Meghalaya, but yes, I do understand that we have got opportunity since 1984 to do the mines in Rat Hole. We start the mining in our state, especially in our Jingïakhih hills, which start from Bapung village. It's since 1984. But yes, one more. Since 1984, the NGT have burned a rat mining hole in 2014, but it's roughly already 30 years. We have got opportunity since 1984 till 2014, so it almost 30 years. But since 2024 till now, I think it is almost 12 years. But my question now, in these 12 years, we have seen a lot of governments have promised to our peoples, especially the livings in Jingïakhih. They have come and goes with the promise. They have come and goes with the promise. But till now, we are very sad to see that we have gained or we have got only this promise without no action. Therefore, I humble request and I appeals to all my colleagues who are reside in East Jingïakhih. Please come out and support to our Marshal, because this is not for his personal benefit. This is a whole benefit of our East Jingïakhih hills. Therefore, I once again like to congrats to all the members of this association lead by Marshal. He take this step to show to the governments as to the whole world that yes, we from East Jingïakhih, we have lakhs of brave peoples, we have lakhs of experienced peoples to do many things, to walk many things, do even a hunger strike, we are in a peaceful rally and do extra. We have a lot of peoples, but please don't make us to come out on the road. Like you have know that this nowadays is a Gen Z time. I can say that this is a Gen Z time. Therefore, I humble request to the government. I appeal to the government also. Please do it. Draft it as much as possible, your MMDR Act, so that our peoples they can live in the good manners. They can live is a peaceful and with a happy life.
Shushu la sakhiru ya arngut ki MDC ka Congress sa Jingïakhih Autonomous District Council JHDC katau ba record paren bat uba madon rambai ki balawan mi syakani ka jaka Shongekhi Shah Thngan uba Marshal.
Tegi chami wo manu ubru wo chlur wo kemensen wo kitlek nebenta ka jak bru piongi wo kemensen wo chlur wo yada ya ka hok yong ka jak bru piongi. Kargamte artatini ne da yoi nadu kini ki Sngi ko dadap adu ne pensakhi ki wo emu ya kani ka mensen ka wo chandran ma Marshal ngakawi upangkan mo ya pi Dewa ong ye kini ki kentin ki wo melung susu tam jo ong mo de tang ho rang ba keng badon kaman bajuat yo pila ban ben hanrei kumno pendra ho yu ki social media embat ki wo kdaukti hanrei nadu mentu gesngi ngakwa ye kini ki perlok ki wo kdaukti ya uni urang ba wo chem ye kini ke jeng ba klei nei benta ka im kayap Yong kinong chong chnong apo kani ke jelam Meghalaya siapa kenmo hachwao kudau TV hachwao keno pi berkat arsen neba uni urang ba the ong hai ni ki kentin ka jing cha Thngan ka ba klem bu por na ka benta ban pelat ya udaw yo ka jing khang yong mo yong nadu khat ar peliki snem katu penjenjar penleng ago ya ki bei ki pa Yagi nong chong chnong yong I waro untuk dukat ki wgrek mo yong ngam to wgrek mo yong anre chia mai por wadang wai yong mo yong kajing mentoy kawa yo ki nong chong chnong yong I hapo kani ke district lene hapo kani ke state ki yong I ki driver ki wki melan nei tai nei na sapai na sa sneng na mo ka yaw kan ter pusai kon ki dewo wan ki sekini ki thao ko em mo yong Andrei kate duk biang ki wan biang chakani ka juk ku arem hab duk ku pam dain uputwat lum yu rap ku ba rap ko biang chalum chawa nei ba ki hali ya tor la mto ki biang
terperlok hawas ke di beruman werok lang hi embi ke lak ke tam guduna tang he ke jini to ko khang yo mar ko kandau yo mo yong wodo kerhai he ki por le pas nam chwa mbam ju dia hado man hado kan di ke jingkhang ko wodo poi de pau tu ligi snam ka tu hado ne da khnjo da palat ikat bisnam untuk de ke peryot wakian Os kilo do kang kisan rubnai le ne hapa tisnam rong re kadok kat wisnam tedeman ba more than 1 decade tegeni tok dakta ko ye ga yap ke imyong igam ginong chong chnong teni ko wa kulam he ge to wugi authority ku hanan I remember in 1984 during that time they start the coal business in our state in the village of Wapung. During that time my teenage before 2014, the Honorable National Green Tribunal (NGT) banned and blamed the rat hole mining. The people of Meghalaya have completed 30 years which the rat hole running in our state. Since 1989, late Professor Jingïakhih expressed in the Lok Sabha, "Kawin ki yung dorbar ko he tam hapa ka ring dia." Tada egi haga yung dorbar yung Lok Sabha ke Parliament ko hakle tam yung ring dia ongi ang Professor Jingïakhih, late Professor Jingïakhih, exemption in the state of Meghalaya like a mini cottage industry. We don't have a single industry in the state of Meghalaya. This the coal mine. We have to compare very similar for the mini cottage industry in the state of Meghalaya. They don't have a single industry. During that time, under the regime of late Rajiv Gandhi as a prime ministership in the country, the last 30 years, the nature have already destroyed by 85%. The rest 15 only left inside the environment. After 2014, banned the coal business and coal transportation from Meghalaya to Assam. Some few people only can do the coal business in our state. That people can do and transport the coal business is the top agent of the political power in both the state, example Meghalaya and Assam. And the rest of 96% the population in our state have suffered right now, all of them too much crisis for financial purpose. Some of them, they could not survive their children in a proper way, and some of the family cannot survive their children in a proper and at the same time they study everywhere in the country, they turn back home. Why? We don't have the financial to invest their children. Some colleges and university everywhere in the country. That is the financial crime. We live our life in doubt. Some of them hesitate every corner. We live in this earth. So many incidents is happening. Some cases accidentally, the vehicle, the flight crash, the people lost their life. That airport station never stopped. Then the flight going and coming, and sometimes the train derail and collapse. That rail route never stop and continue the service to the people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya